Hi everyone, today I'm showing you this lounge area. This is in my daughter's bedroom. She is using this for her distance learning at home, but this can be for anybody, grown woman, a kid, a teenager. Just create it with your own flair. But this is a nice area just for your own personal space, for reading, for drawing, for work, if you work at home. But for this case, I'm showing you how to use this area for distance learning. The first two items I'm going to show you, they are so cute. We had a boho theme in mind when we created this. Very feminine and very chic. And this first one right here, these are pearl string plants. These are so cute, guys. Found them from Amazon. They're, of course, not real, so it's artificial, and it comes in a set of two. You'll see the other one later, but first I'm going to talk to you guys about this wall hanging. This is so cute. This is Homemade with Love by Radiant Life Shop. You can see the links below. This comes in 4 colors, but this one is in orange to match the woodsy things going on in this corner. If you shop at Hobby Lobby, then you might have walked past this. This map is so gorgeous. My daughter picked that out. She's going places for sure. And on the other side of the wall, we've got these shelves, these floating shelves. These are so unique and I love them so much. It comes in a set of 2, as you saw earlier. They come in many different finishes. I chose to hang these shelves up with the hooks that you saw just now. There are hooks that you can find easily at Walmart, white, black, stainless steel, and I think the white one looks better with this area right here. And in this one, I have her wooden letters that I've had since she was born almost 12 years ago. I just kept spray painting them to match her rooms at the time. So this time it's probably gonna stay gold. Spray paint is the best. All right, now we're done with the decor, kind of, but let's move on to the bottom. This is actually a foam mattress from IKEA, but you can get it from Amazon or anywhere. And these pillows, you guys, are mostly from Home Goods. They are very affordable at the time. I'm not sure if they're affordable all the time, but at the time it was super affordable. And even this blanket was like $19.99, and the pillows range from $7.99, $9.99, $11.99, and I just can't believe it. All right, so this is a document tray. It's 3-tiered. This is from my gift.com. You can check them out, the links below as well. They have, I think, 2 or 3 colors, I'm not sure, but this one I have a mason jar that I spray painted with blush pink, and then I added random flowers that I have at the time. This one I found from Hobby Lobby, and it has a cute little pinky stuff to it which matches the pink in the mason jar, and then I just tied it with the twine strings. And she puts her glasses there. The Sailor Moon glasses case is so cute. And then we just store her school iPad there. And then on the bottom, we got notebooks, a binder for, I don't know, random stuff. And then on the bottom, we have this super cute laptop board, which is an actual chalkboard. It's shaped as a laptop, and when you open it, it's, yeah, like a laptop. Isn't that cute? It does come with little chalks in there, in that thing, but if you're gonna ask me, just get the liquid markers because those things are so messy. And I have this thing right here. It's a lap desk. Yeah, a lap desk. And then she uses the iPad for the Zoom on that thing. And it's really, really nice because it's very comfortable, like on your lap. It has the little pillows in there. And if you don't want to get that, you can use the laptop thing that I showed you earlier for it. It works just as well too. I have a furry rug on the side, and in front of the tray I have these things. It's a wooden thing that I found from Home Goods, and on top is actually a magazine slash book slash files holder, but we just use it for her books. This one is to hold 3 books, but they also have a 9-slot one, which is cool, and they have also rose gold if you're looking for that. But I love how simple this is. So elegant, so chic. It is definitely a boho E, you know, right? 1, 2, 3. Isn't that cool? I really like that. Let me go back to the lap desk real quick. This design is called the gold quatre design. They have a whole bunch of colors to choose from, but I just chose this one because it's the most neutral one and matches the decor I have going on here. It has a slot over here. You can use it for whatever, but we've been using it for her phone. And it has a stopper at the end so things don't fall off the lap desk. And also this thing to hold stuff. I don't know. I don't know if she's used that, but it's there. Since my daughter is using this for distance learning, I have everything in here. This is so nice, you guys. It's a 4 slot with the extra slot in the front. And over here we have a remote control. You're like, what the heck is this for? Well, let me show you. It's for these things in the back that makes everything so beautiful. Lights, string lights, they're so awesome. You can dim it, you can make it brighter. You can even change the light thingies that are going on. It looks so crazy. Kind of give me a headache a little bit. But I mean, I'm pretty sure it would be good for like Christmas and fun times, or I don't know. They have like 8 different ones to choose from. I'm going to show you guys real quick without me talking. Back to the pencil holder. This has 4 compartments plus 1 in the front for remotes and other thin stuff, and this is also revolving. So that is pretty cool. My daughter draws a lot, so she has a whole bunch of stuff in here. Well, not a whole bunch, but enough, you know. Got gel pens, got markers, got pencils and pens. And on this side, we have a wooden board. Oh my gosh, what is this called? Brain fart. But she uses that for her schedule so she can keep up. And this, I have a book basket, a whole bunch of books that she reads. Devotionals, journals, but the other one with the triangles is the ones that she's currently reading. Another plus for the flat wooden round thing from Home Goods is for drinks. So this is a mason jar with a handle and a lid and a straw. So if you're a kid, you need this, and because you would not spill. And if you spill, oh my gosh, you better clean it before your mama finds out. So this comes in a set of 6, and it comes with a holder. So it's really cool, like if you want to use it for guests to serve and stuff like that. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this and got some ideas to make your own lounge area and your quiet personal space in the corner. This was so fun to do. Don't forget to check out the links below, and don't forget to subscribe because it's nice and you get notifications for new videos just like this one. Miffy, how did you get over there? What are you even doing? Why are you so cute? You cutie bunny.